this is Buddha of Destiny. Namaste. We are on the golf course and there's a baby owl, the same color of the tree, and he's all the way up there in the second hole. I'm going to try to zoom in. I need you to look closely. He blends in with the tree. I didn't take my seizure medicine yet. Okay. I need a gimbal. Dig it on. Let me take some pictures so y'all can see him. He's right here by the water. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Miami Shores Golf Course owl. Check out the owl, the little baby owl. I'm trying to keep the phone still. I'm sorry. I didn't take my seizure medicine yet. I apologize for the shakiness. And I hope y'all have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. Namaste. What's up, everybody? I'm on the golf course. Check out this little turtle. The bird's trying to get him. So I came out of the yard. I don't know where bird is, but I came out here because I don't like that. Hurt animals. No, no, no. It's a cute little turtle. The bird's trying to get him. He's right there hiding. If the gate's open, easy. You enjoy. Hey. What are you doing? Leave her inside. Oh no, don't let her out. She's a monster. Leave Destiny inside. We're gonna let Destiny out. See this turtle, everybody. Namaste. Say bye-bye, turtle. Little baby turtle.